Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to be doing the 50 subscriber special. Okay, I'm the only one who's excited apparently because nobody gave any recommendations as to what I should do for today's video. So we're gonna cold start the Saab and give her a few revs, I guess, because I don't know. Sounds like fun to me. We're at 650 Instagram subscribers and 56 YouTube subscribers. So let's get this bad boy rolling. Last time the Saab ended up being rusted out, so I am jump starting it. I guess 2 weeks was long enough for the battery to go dead. First cold start in over 2 weeks. Let's see how she sounds. Naturally aspirated EJ20 from a JDM Forester. I don't have my keys.
3 hours later.
Well, needless to say, everything else about the Saab is alive and well, besides the rust. We've still got a lot of work to do, and it's still not my main project at the moment, but it's still fun to record it. Those wheels just look so good. So, on to today's project. These are the new rims I picked up for the Capri. And boy, oh boy, are they gonna look good on there. It's gonna look so correct. I picked these up for only $100 because if you can tell, there's a slight bend in the rim right here. It's actually more of a flat spot than a bend. I'm pretty sure I should be able to fix it myself. So I've got a blowtorch and a rubber mallet here and just gonna see what I can do. See if I can just pop it out a little bit. And then got new tires coming on Wednesday, so hopefully we'll be good to go for a while.